Here we have a 1992 Cadillac Fleetwood bumper filler. And here I have broken tabs where once you put them behind the bumper, you need to actually put a screw to hold them tight against the bumper. So in case you ever have one broken like I did here, you can always replace them with a screw. I got this from Home Depot. It works great. What I did is first I used the welder to notch exactly the spot where this nut's gonna go. And I welded it right there. At first I attached a little bit of glue behind this bolt right here. And I went ahead and replaced it where the hole was marked. And then it just holds it in place while you do the other procedure. I add a little bit of mesh right here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay a fiberglass resin around the mesh. So when you replace this bolt right here, it has a little bit of backing. So in case you over tighten it, it won't come off. This mesh right here, it has a large portion where it's gonna hold it against the plastic. So please subscribe. Let me know if this video is helpful. I'll upload once I install this filler on my bumper. Thank you.